How to turn on page away message on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page away message on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find pages and then click here. Click this one here. Click on it and now just click this settings icon and click messaging, and here you will find it away message. Just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.